In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 268 in Roblox. So in case you are playing Roblox and you got this message over here which says disconnected, you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior, error code 268 with the only option to leave the game. This is what you can do. Now there's multiple ways to fix this and I'm going to show you all of them in this video. So the first one is simply, in case you're running any Roblox hacks or cheats or stuff like this, you want to turn those off, okay, and play fairly like everybody else. So this error code is primarily triggered when cheating is detected inside the game. So close whichever cheat software you're running, restart your computer and try opening Roblox again. If it works, that was the issue. Now in case you're not running any of that stuff, you may simply want to restart the computer. Now, I know it sounds cliche, but just a quick restart could actually get Roblox working again and fixing this error code 268. Now, next thing you can do is try logging in to Roblox on a different device. So if you keep getting this error, so 268, simply open Roblox on another smartphone, tablet, computer, laptop, whatever it is, and if you can log in on another device, your account is still functional, and the issue may actually be related to your software or hardware on your computer or wherever you were playing. Now, number 4, you can actually appeal your Roblox account ban. Now, if you can't log into Roblox on any device, your account has likely been banned, okay? So in order to fix this, you can try the following steps. Now, you can go to this site over here, which is roblox.com/support, and then, of course, put in everything you have to over here, and then go down here where it says type of help category, and simply search for moderation. There we go. And then under here, select appeal account. And that's pretty much it. Then you want to go through and wait for them to respond, okay? Now, another option for you would be to connect to a faster internet connection. Now, in case you have access to a faster Wi-Fi or an Ethernet connection, so a wired connection, you may try that as well, since a slow or inconsistent internet connection can sometimes trigger this error, okay? Then the next one would be to turn off your antivirus software. Now, antivirus apps have been known to interfere with the Roblox video game connecting to its servers properly. Now, in case you have a antivirus, you may want to turn it off. Now, the way you do this is simply going down here and showing hidden icons on your computer, and then right-clicking on your antivirus. I have Avast. And then you want to click on Shields and Controls, and then disable it for, let's say, 10 minutes and try if it works. If it doesn't, you can turn it back on. Now, the next option is to turn off your VPN. So in case you're running a VPN on your computer, simply turn it off, and that may fix the issue. And then another thing you can do, you can reinstall Roblox, okay? Simply delete it from your computer. So go to control panel and then delete Roblox and simply reinstall the game and see if your error code is still there. Now you can also try a different version of Roblox, okay? If you're using the Microsoft Store Roblox app, you can try download the game from the Roblox website and running that version. If you're already playing that version, then you may want to give the Microsoft Store app a go and see if either of those work for you better. Yeah, so the next step you could possibly do is simply going down here, okay, to the search bar inside Windows and typing in %temp%, which will give you a file folder. You want to click on it and it will open up this folder for you, as you can see over here. And then what you want to do is simply press Ctrl and A, there we go, which will select everything, and then press on this delete button over here, and you can delete all the temporary Windows files that way, and that may fix the issue for you as well. And now you can also disable your Windows security, so go into your Windows security and disable that. However, that doesn't often fix the issue. But what you can do, and what helped me in the past years that I had this error, is actually flushing your DNS cache, okay? Now, the way you do this is simply by going down here to the search again, typing in CMD to get a command prompt. And in case you're not on your admin user on your PC or laptop, you want to press Run as Administrator over here. In case you are, you can just press on it and it will open up the CMD. And then what you want to do is type in here IP config So just like me, ipconfig, and let's press space /flush DNS. Press enter, and once you've done that, your DNS cache will be flushed, since flushing your computer's DNS records can improve online gameplay in several titles, okay? And once you've done that, you can simply close this down, and there we go. These are all the steps or all the options you can do to kind of fix the Roblox error code 268. Now, I hope your account isn't banned, but there's actually something wrong with your software or hardware or possibly internet on your computer. But in case your account has been banned, you can try to appeal it over here as I've showed you. And thanks for watching this video.